Good morning everyone, I am Joris Magat from TM3A. My topic for today is all about service robots in the hospitality industry, the case of Hena Hotel Japan. Introduction. The paper, authored by Reis et al. And published in 2020 in the journal Technology in Society, investigates the pros and cons of using service robots in the hospitality industry, especially focusing on the Hena Hotel in Japan. The study aims to assess the current state of service robot technology and its effectiveness in providing hospitality services. So, ang Hen Hotel is meaning strange hotel in Japanese. Strange hotel, ang ibig sabihin niya sa Japanese, is a hotel chain known for its extensive use of robots in its operations. The hotel is recognized by Guinness World Record as the first hotel in the world to be staffed by robots. These robots handle various tasks including check-in, check-out, and even luggage handling, offering a unique and technologically advanced experience for guests. Next is methodology. The research uses a systematic literature review methodology which involved a thorough search of the Scopus database using keywords service robots and Hena. The research, a total of 397 peer review articles published from 2017 to 2020 were analyzed using content analysis. Two independent searches were conducting using keywords service robots and Hena. The analysis was conducted using NVivo 11 software to identify the categories, subcategories, and patterns within the data. Next is findings and discussions. The study identifies the several advantages and disadvantages of using service robot in hospitality services. While service robots can provide high level of sensorial and intellectual experiences, they currently lack the emotional capabilities of human employees, resulting in a lower levels of affective experiences. Service robots' perspectives in the hospitality industry, service robots are currently capable of providing high level of sensorial intellectual experience, but the lack of ability to deliver level of effectiveness experience compared to humans. So, ayun nga, ang mga robot naman is wala naman silang mga emosyon, kaya ayun yung nagme-make difference sa humans and robots. Makakapag service nga yung mga robot, pero hindi naman ganun ka parang hindi ganun, walang sincerity, ganun ba? Unlike pag human yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng service, yun, mas ramdam mo na pinagsisilbihan ka talaga. This limitation is primarily attributed to the lack of technological advancement in mimicking human emotional intelligence. Most authors recommend using service robots in collaboration with humans or exploring social robots which are better equipped to engage in heartwarming interaction. Human-robot collaboration service robots versus human in the front line. Despite the significant advancement in AI and service robotics, HRC systems are considered more suitable for frontline hospitality services. AI-enabled technologies are starting to enhance service robots, but they currently fall short in tasks requiring high emotional complexity. Service robots have demonstrated success in standardized mechanical tasks with low interpersonal demands. However, complex issues requiring empathic intelligence such as complaint mediation are best handled by human employees or collaborative teams. Future developments in social robots with advanced AI capabilities will be crucial for full automation of frontline services.
Concluding remarks. Implication for theory and practice. The research underscores the need for further development of social robots with advanced artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities to effectively handle complex emotional interaction in hospitality services. The hotel managers are advised to exercise caution when considering full integration of robots into front. While some researchers advocate for humanoid robots in heartwarming interaction, there is no consensus on the widespread of use social robots in the hospitality industry. Managers should exercise caution when integrating robots in frontline services due to the high empathic intelligence required in hospitality. Hena Hotel transitions from full automation to HRC demonstrates the needs careful consideration and adaptation of robotic solution. Future research should explore the potential of social robots with advanced AI capabilities and focus on replicable solution for hotel services. Limitations. The systematic literature review the conducting data from 2017 to 2020. The choice of keywords service robots instead of social robots may have limited the scope of the analysis. Future research should investigate social robots in more details to address this limitation. Guidelines for future research. Conducting guest rating analysis of Hena Hotel and other automated hotels to better understand customer preferences and needs. Empirically, examining the use of social robots in the frontline services to develop robust solution for complex cognitive and emotional tasks. Next slide, please. Um, Question and discussion. Open the floor for question and discussion about the topic. So, ayun nga, um, we should know na dapat balance lang ang paggamit sa mga robots dahil ayun nga, kung lahat ng bagay ay iasa lang natin sa technology, mas mawawalan yung mga ibang tao ng trabaho. Kaya kailangan balance lang. And hindi naman siya masamang gamitin dahil nga since nasa modern world na tayo na ang technology ay isa sa mga pinaka ginagamit na talaga ng mga tao ngayon. And ayun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Next slide po. Here's the references in this topic. If you are interested to this report, you should click them. And ayun lamang po. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sana po may natutunan kayo. Um, Question and discussion. Open the floor for question and discussion about the topic. So, ayun nga, um, we should know na um, dapat balance lang ang paggamit sa mga robots dahil ayun nga, kung lahat ng bagay ay iasa lang natin sa technology, mas mawawalan yung mga ibang tao ng trabaho. Kaya kailangan balance lang. And hindi naman siya masamang gamitin dahil nga since nasa modern world na tayo na ang technology ay isa sa mga pinaka ginagamit na talaga ng mga tao ngayon. And ayun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Next slide po. Here's the references in this topic. If you are interested to this report, you should click them. And ayun lamang po. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sana po may natutunan kayo.